When it comes to choosing a university abroad, selecting the right destination and institution can define your future career path and personal growth. This 2025 guide presents some of the best universities in the United Kingdom, Canada, United States, Australia, Ireland, and Malta based on academic reputation, global rankings, and international student satisfaction. United Kingdom University of Oxford. The University of Oxford continues to lead globally thanks to its academic excellence, award-winning faculty, and centuries-old legacy. It offers a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs, making it a top choice for students from around the world. University of Cambridge. Cambridge rivals Oxford in prestige and is globally recognized for research, especially in science, mathematics, and the humanities. Its unique college system encourages close interaction between students and professors. Imperial College London, specializing in science, engineering, and medicine. Imperial is a global leader in STEM education. It attracts students interested in innovation and high-impact careers. University College London UCL is one of the most diverse and research-driven institutions in the United Kingdom. It is known for interdisciplinary programs and partnerships with leading organizations across the globe. London School of Economics LSE is a top destination for students interested in social sciences, economics, politics, and global affairs. Its graduates often move into leadership roles across the public and private sectors. Identities of Toronto. This is Canada's highest-ranked university and excels in research, innovation, and international collaboration. It stands out in artificial intelligence, medicine, and business programs. University of British Columbia UBC in Vancouver is respected for sustainability, environmental science, and tech innovation. Students enjoy a balanced academic and social life supported by leading faculty. McGill University, located in Montreal. McGill is a bilingual institution that consistently ranks among the world's best for medical and science education. It also offers strong arts and law programs. Master University, known for health sciences and engineering. McMaster adopts a student-focused and problem-based learning approach that prepares graduates for resources and networks for students. Stanford University, located in Silicon Valley. Stanford is known for cutting-edge research and innovation, especially in computer science and engineering. Its location provides exceptional internship and career opportunities. Princeton University. Princeton offers a strong focus on undergraduate education with top programs in physics, economics, philosophy, and literature. Small class sizes and a close-knit community define the experience. University of Chicago, renowned for its economics and social sciences programs. The University of Chicago promotes critical thinking, academic rigor, and original research. Australian of Melbourne, regularly ranked as Australia's top university. Melbourne is known for excellence in law, business, education, and health sciences. Its vibrant city campus adds to the overall student experience. University of Sydney. Sydney offers leading programs in science, medicine, engineering, and the arts. Strong career support and global networks make it a popular choice for international students. Monash University. This research powerhouse is especially strong in business, pharmacy, and engineering. Its flexible programs and global campuses provide students with diverse opportunities. Of New South Wales. UNSW has a reputation for excellence in finance, technology, and innovation. It maintains strong industry links, which benefit students looking for professional pathways. University of Queensland. UQ is known for research leadership in medicine, environmental science, and biology. It provides students with strong academic foundations and practical experience. Cyril Lantern College Dublin. The oldest university in Ireland, Trinity offers world-class programs in literature, law, science, and computer engineering. Its central Dublin location offers both cultural and academic advantage. University College Dublin. UCD is well known for agriculture, business, medicine, and engineering. It is closely connected with European research and innovation projects. University College Cork. UCC is respected for medical sciences, environmental research, and a supportive student environment. National University of Ireland. Galway. Nuke offers unique programs in digital humanities, marine research, and biomedical science. It is especially appealing to students seeking innovation and interdisciplinary learning. Dublin City University. DCU is a modern university focused on entrepreneurship, applied sciences, and technology. It is ideal for students seeking career-oriented Education Maltese of Malta. This is the oldest and most prominent university in Malta, offering a wide range of English taught programs. It is especially strong in law, European studies, medicine, and information technology. Malta College of Arts, Science, and Technology in CAST delivers practical, vocational, and technical programs that align closely with industry needs. It is ideal for students looking for hands-on learning and direct career pathways. Global College Malta focused on business and information systems. This institution offers degrees in collaboration with universities from the United Kingdom. It is designed for students aiming for global business careers. Choosing a university abroad is about more than just rankings. Consider your preferred field of study, the environment, tuition, cost of living, and available scholarships. Whether you are drawn to the heritage of Oxford, the innovation of Stanford, or the welcoming campuses in Toronto and Melbourne, each university on this list offers a unique opportunity for growth and successive questions about the video or need clarity book. A one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.